Welcome to episode 159. This is along the river. Yeah? It's what goes on besides dancing tango on the river. Party time. And I'm walking down to the tango. Now, these are party boats and a lot of fun. So, pop event. It's a pop event. Don't know. Interesting. So, it's a beautiful day here. 75 degrees, and I'm walking over to dance tango. That's what's going on. Now here we are. We're on the other side of the tree today, but it's beginning here. Tango. And, always great. A lot of fun on the river here. It's about 8 o'clock in the evening, 75 degrees. We had a heat wave, but it's over now. So life is good. Tango. Mary Lou here, and boy, she came over and collected me. We had danced a great milonga a long time ago here, and she remembered, and boy, what a great dancer. Yeah, this is Mary Lou here. Wonderful girl. She's just with you no matter where you go. She's right with you. Big smile and singing a song while she's dancing. What a great girl. Fantastic. Fantastic dancing. 8 p.m. Thursday, July 3rd, 2025. This is the end of episode 159. Corporate sponsor is Synostics.com. Bruce Badeau at Outlook.com has all the details. For more information, click on the links in the description below. To see a demonstration video of the device, click on episode 67 above.